and welcome to today's Where's the Trade. My name is Joshua Bellinger of OptionSizzle.com, and today we're going to look at CBOE holdings. And the trade that caught my attention today in the options market occurred here in the June contract. So those that are not familiar with option activity and how to track it, they would look at this volume that they see here, and they would think to themselves that this is potentially a call spread, being that the 34.25 strike and the 37.25 strike both have similar volume and look to be some kind of call spread. But if you take a look here at prices at $35, it really wouldn't make too much sense for that individual to be putting on that type of spread. The other thing that we could look at as well is the volume and the open interest, and we could see that the volume today is not enough to exceed the open interest, which could indicate a closing transaction and a roll. Now, that is exactly what happened, and the trader sold 4,000 contracts at $2.05 and rolled it into those June 37.25 calls at 65 cents. So now we get a bit better picture of what exactly this trader is positioning for, and the only thing that he's positioning for is more upside in this. So just recently, the CBOE was at a conference, and in the presentation, one of the key takeaways that they talked about being that the news of the NASDAQ and Carlyle Group looking to take it private, that if that is something that does happen, that they would look to possibly restructure their corporate standing or their company standing. So that could be a bullish, and what the reaction for today is that it's a bit of a bullish bias. So keeping that in mind, if we take a look here at the chart on the CBOE, we could see that it is at all-time highs. If we back this all the way out to a 5-year weekly, we see that the price was at that he needed to get above on this weekly time frame was at 32.50. So if there is a little bit of a pullback, this would be a good opportunity. You could see the trend higher as well. So the contracts that are active and have 127 days, that gives a trader some time for this trade to work and for more movement to the upside, and those contracts hopefully to increase for them. So that is today's Where's the Trade. If you found the information valuable and you think someone else could benefit from it, I appreciate if you could forward it to them, and I will talk to you next week.